Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the BBlunt Intense Moisture Serum, and I'm also going to show you 5 different ways of using a hair serum to take care of your dry hair in the winter or anytime through the year. So let's start. But before we start, I really want to talk a little bit about the hair serum because it's been my favorite from the entire BBlunt product range. It's also one of my favorite serums to use throughout the year. Now I'll tell you why I really like this serum. A is the price factor. It's priced at ₹500 for a 75 ml bottle. I think that is quite affordable for how well it works on your hair. Point 2 is the consistency of it. It is not too thick, so it does not weigh your hair down. It is absolutely the perfect consistency to sort of take care of your dry hair and not really keep your hair very heavy or your scalp turning too sticky or oily. The third thing is the ingredients of the product. Now the serum has avocado argan oil, vitamin E and jojoba. Now all of these 4 ingredients are absolutely perfect to take care of dry, damaged hair. So we all know that those 8 hours of sleep can do magic to our skin and hair. So right before going to bed, I take 2 pumps of the serum and apply it just on my mid-lengths to ends. And with ingredients like vitamin E and jojoba, the serum will deeply condition and smoothen out dry ends and split ends and work its magic when your body is getting complete rest. And if you only use 2 pumps, your hair won't be sticky at all in the morning. Okay, so we all are guilty of using harsh shampoos on our hair, right? Now what you can do is apply 2 to 3 pumps of the serum on your mid-lengths to ends and leave them on for 10 minutes right before you shampoo. Now this will coat the cuticles and make sure the shampoo isn't stripping your hair of the extra moisture, and this will really keep your hair away from dryness and breakage. The serum will also act as a barrier, and trust me you guys, you really will be saving your hair from the harsh chemicals. Guys, wouldn't you rather apply a hair mask to nourish your hair when you're just sitting around at home? I love to add 3 to 4 drops of the hair serum into a deeply hydrating hair mask or conditioner and apply it to my hair. I instantly get the benefit of vitamin E, argan oil and avocado, which makes my mask a lot more moisturizing and works 10 times better. So apply it, tie your hair away and let it add that extra TLC into your hair. You can wash this off after 1 hour. I'm sure you guys know, and I've stressed on this so many times before, it's so important to use a heat protecting serum before you use any kind of heat on your hair. Not only does it coat the cuticles and act as a barrier against the heat, it also works at rejuvenating your hair since it's just gone through intense heat application. So since you're putting heat directly on your hair, you also need to nourish it to make sure that the health of your hair is maintained and it's strong and long lasting. And if you yet find your hair dry, use it as a finishing product as well. I'm so sure that this has happened with most of y'all. When you run your fingers through your hair, you always find strands of hair in your hand or on your rubber band, right? So I figured that's because when your hair is left dry and parched, it's more prone to breakage and hair fall. So it's important to keep reapplying the serum to keep your hair strand strong and hydrated at all times so you avoid hair loss and hair breakage. Just take 1 pump of the serum and keep reapplying it whenever you feel that your hair has become too dry in the day. And since the BBlunt Intense Moisture Serum bottle is so small and compact, you can easily just carry this in your bag and keep applying it through the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys can use all of these points to take care of your dry hair on a daily basis. I have linked the serum in the description box. You guys can check it out. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell icon so you get a notification every time I put out a new video. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye!